Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Today I'm going to be eating at Toothsome Chocolate Emporium. Let's check it out. So as soon as you come in, you go to the left for milkshakes, to the right for the souvenir shop, or straight ahead for food. Just look at all these delicious milkshakes. That one has an entire piece of cake on top. And that one's decked out for Halloween. Shirts, hoodies, derbies. More chocolate bars. And here's some cool things here. Super expensive, but really nice. A fish for $140. The cotton candy's being pumped out from above to down here below. Very cool dragon. More steampunk goodies. It's a pretty cool pendant. Macarons for the macaronless. So I got my table at Toothsome. Table of fun. Here is the menu if you scan in that QR code. Otherwise, you can see that we're clearly inside a chocolate factory. All right, my pork belly sliders have arrived. You can see the chocolate coated bacon, pretzel bun, arugula. That is the pork and caramelized onions. It's going to be great, I hope. So I've never had chocolate coated bacon before, so let's give that a try. All right, so here's some chocolate coated bacon. I'll be honest, it tastes more like chocolate coated chocolate, but right at the end you get some bacon because they put a lot of chocolate on this, a lot, but it's good. And it's melty. All right, so let's try one of the sliders. Cheers. That's really good. So I love chocolate and I love pork, but for now I'm going to keep them separate. My flatbread also came in. This is the beef short rib flatbread. All right, let's give it a whirl. Okay, so it's got grilled onions, arugula. Actually, I think that's a shallot jam. All right. It's really good. The shallots are kind of sweet. The cheese is creamy. Let's get a bite of the beef. So the sliders, 8 out of 10, would eat again. Flatbread, 10 out of 10, highly recommend. Okay, so desserts here. This is the Black Magic Milkshake. It's a pumpkin dulce de leche ice cream, Nutella, and tombstone sprinkle rim with a severed body part filled cauldron of quick chopping flames, as you can see. And I've been told the entire thing is edible. I might not try to eat this souvenir glass though, but the cauldron is dark chocolate. All of the body parts or whatever are candy. I don't know if I can eat the whole thing, but I can eat the whole thing. Alright, so let's give this guy a try. Cheers. Good, very creamy. Oh, there's the pumpkin. Very thick too. Just like me. Alright, let's try some of the flames. Just like whipped cream. Let's try some of this. Oh, there's a finger. And that's a finger that went in there. Gummy. Not a huge fan of gummies, but I love the milkshake. It's really good. Alright, so that's it for Toothsome Chocolate Emporium. I recommend it. It's fun, it's expensive, but the food is really good. Have a good one.